In this video, I will show you how to change your region in TapTap Send. Now there's basically two regions you can change. Either your sending region, so where you are sending from, or where you're sending to. Where you're sending to is very simple. Just click on the drop down at the top and then here set it to the region you want to send to, and then you will already have changed it. Now, if you want to change the region that you are sending from or your own country, that's a bit more difficult. As you can see, if you go into your account, there's no option to change your country right here. And instead, what you will need to do is create a new account, but then you may run into the problem that you have already used your phone number. Is just delete your current account by going to support, and then here go to account verification and limits, and then in this list you will see how can I close my account. And you will see you need to email support@taptapsend.com, and you should use the email that you created your account with to email them. Just request an account deletion. Now if you can use a different phone number to sign up from someone else, that's easier. So in that case, just go to account and then log out. And then it will be redirecting you back to the sign up page or sign in page. So here what you want to do is just click sign up and then set your country to whatever you want to set it to. So maybe you have moved, let's say to the United States, then you just set it to the United States. And you may also have a new phone number if you moved countries. So just enter the phone number, click next, and then you have created a new account with a different region. So unfortunately you cannot keep the same account while changing your region. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.